Hello, English learners. This is Ritu, and you are watching Ritu's Innate. So, in today's video, we are going to explore how we can elevate our basic expressions into more advanced and sophisticated version to make our English more effective and natural. So, let us start. So, first one is basic version is I have no money. Advanced one is I am broke. Second, stop wasting your time. Stop goofing around. Third one, be careful. Watch out. I'm scared. I'm petrified. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Wait a moment. Bear with me, or you can say, hold on. Why are you so angry? Why are you pissed off? You are a very kind. You have a heart of gold. I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I don't understand. I'm not following. Sorry, I lost focus. Sorry, I zoned out. I am very tired. I'm dead on my feet. Let's start. Let's kick off. I'm very hungry. I'm famished. Go to bed. Hit the hay. I pay the bill. It's on me. Keep quiet. Keep it down. Don't touch. Hands off. I'm listening carefully. I'm all ears. I'm scared. I have cold feet. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. So that's it for today. Follow for more. Keep learning and take care. Bye bye.